everybody, Dave Zwanetz here again from Shapiro Mack, working on video number 3 of the series, How to Deal with the Police. Alright, just real quick, I want to have a little disclaimer. We're going to put these on all of our videos from now on. I'm not condoning criminal activity. The absolute best way to deal with field sobriety tests, breath tests, arrests in general is to not drink and drive, obey all laws, be a normal human being, and usually you'll never come into contact with the police in a negative fashion if that's the way that you roll. But on the off chance that you are coming in contact with the police, rightfully or wrongly, I think that there should be some information available to the public and available to our fans on our Facebook page and our YouTube followers and people that follow our Twitter on how to deal with the police. First video was you do not consent to searches. Second video was that you do not take field sobriety tests. Third video, some people say 3 is a charm. I think this is a huge one. Do not answer questions to police officers without legal counsel. It is enormous. We've done tons of videos in the past on Miranda, when you have to be given the spiel about remaining silent and things can be used against you in court. It should be your general rule that when you are in a situation where there is a professional that is paid to do that thing, like dealing with police, you should defer to them. It is our job as defense attorneys, it is our job as lawyers to know the rules and regulations of seizure and questioning and Miranda. So if you're ever in a situation where you come into contact with a police officer and you feel uncomfortable, it is totally within your rights, within the bounds of the Constitution of the United States, to simply say, I would like an attorney to be present when I speak to you. And I would even take it a step further. I would say this: do not answer questions without legal counsel. Maybe legal counsel from Shapiro Mack, but that's your choice. And I would also say, don't consent to any physical actions at all. Don't do anything without a lawyer being present. Second you feel uncomfortable, just lawyer up. I have a business card. On the back, it has a message right to police officers. It says, I elect to remain silent until my lawyer is present. I do not consent to a search of my person, vehicle, premises, or any of my personal effects. I refuse to participate in any physical act, including field sobriety tests, without speaking to a representative from Shapiro Mack. If I am under arrest, I invoke my right to remain silent and contact my lawyer. Shoot me an email. I'll send you a whole bunch of these. You can just hand them over if you feel uncomfortable. So there's all these questions, all these times when people send us emails and phone calls. When do I have to speak to the police, or when should I be Mirandized? The answer is, you never have to do anything. If you're ever uncomfortable in a police confrontation, just ask to speak with an attorney. We have services in place set up for this. We have a 24-hour emergency line. It's also on the card. 410-794-6673. 24/7. We have a human being that will answer that phone, not a machine, and they will be able to get you to one of us, Jason Shapiro, Paul Mack, and me. We also have email. We all have iPhones. We can't get away from it. Our emails go right to our phones. They make ringing sounds all night long. We will respond to people if they email us. So, rule number 3, do not speak to the police without an attorney present. And if you need us, we are available 24/7. Alright guys, thanks again for watching these videos. They've been a big success. We'll come out with video number 4 shortly. Take care.